Alright, y'all, so I'm just doing the unboxing right here. These some ceramic coated headers for my bubble from Summit. I just showed y'all the part number, but these motherfuckers here, fresh out the gate, the gasket is twisted. Alright, so on top, there go the gaskets. Come with both of them. One for each side. I don't really want to open my package yet, but fuck it. So one for each side. Okay. And these ceramic coated, they say the ceramic coat help keep the heat going. The heat in, where it won't overheat and burn up your wires and all that. Hold on, and I bought an X. So I got my X pipe. 1 or 2.5. You got a pair of 3s for me too. Just depends on what I want to do. Reach out off the part number. Anyway, the kids outside playing, man, I ain't seen the little kids drinking out of water hose for so long. These little kids drinking out the water hose. So again, part number SEM Summit G9001-9, ceramic coated headers for the LT1 small block Chevy, man. But this is something I want to hear to unbox, do an unbox video before I get them put on. Show y'all the X pipe. The tips that I got, they already on the car. That's about it. I know I can show y'all something else. I can show y'all my audio. I got my amp in for my audio. Alright, yeah, I'm just fast forwarding it through here. I'm gonna do a little voiceover. This just a lot of stuff that I shouldn't even be showing y'all, that I'm just showing y'all. I'll probably make another video to show y'all this so I can have some videos just kind of separating my audio, my seeds, just everything I got going on with the bubble. So that's why I'm just doing a little voiceover for y'all real quick. Bring this thing. Smoke that headlights. Got my aluminum steering wheel. Aluminum steering wheel. Then one of the rim boys. Got my damn. couple pairs of them. Sequential tail light kit. So I got a couple pairs of these. Anybody need this for 94, 96 Chevy Impala? No knobs. But y'all can get this $25. All the connectors there. Nothing being broke, no clips broke. Nothing broke, no clips broke. Yeah, man, I had my thought I could get to my lights for y'all, but I can't even make it over there. But yeah, so that was just an unboxing of them headers today. Just giving y'all an update. I should have my shit back in another week or two. The mechanic been bullshitting for fucking a year and a half, bro. The mechanic been bullshitting for a year and a half on my car. So I haven't been giving y'all an update. You know how them niggas is. We also got some unshocks, man. I need to unbox these motherfuckers too. Let's unbox these real quick and add on. So ACDelco air shocks, just some basic ass air shocks. Part number 504-511. GM number 88946598. ACDelco air shocks. Comes with the airline, the T, the screws, clamps, washers, blah, 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 blah. Big fat motherfuckers. Big fat boys. Pause. But yeah, air shocks, ACDelco. Air shock, air tube go right here. Run the line. Back there by the gas pump. Should be alright. Lift that little back up, man. Be alright. With them 26s. Did I show y'all the 6s? I'm gonna drop a short for my 6s. And then I'll drop a video of them just kind of explaining what they is, why I got them, kind of deal I got on them. More screws and bolts that go across the top. No, the bottom. Yeah, these go across the bottom. But yeah, man, once I get the install knowledge, the only thing I wasn't gonna do is the motor. I was gonna do the motor, but I let somebody else decide to do it. And it's been hell dealing with that mechanic. Once we get that back in a couple of weeks, man, I'll be on to put the air shocks on, dynamite, go get my exhaust ring. I need a hole in my floor, either manor or I'm gonna do another floor pan, exhaust. Once I get all my dynamite and stuff in, I mean my sound in, it's not dynamite. My sound in, run my wires. I got all my wires 0 gauge. I'm doing my big 3 Then I start running my wires for my amp, batteries, building a amp rack, and then shit, putting everything in. Shit, we shouldn't be that long. This summer we should be at Texas Whip Fest. I'm hoping to be there. If I ain't there in the bubble, I will be there in the low key. Y'all know me when y'all know me. I got the Impala mirrors. But mine not automatic, mine still old school, but just some little shit that we gotta do. Once we put all this together, it's gonna be worth it to me. And that's what you hook your car for, man. Yourself, not nobody else, man. I'll holler at y'all. I'm gonna do a unboxing of the amp for y'all, and then I'll holler at y'all once we get the Chevy back and rolling. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, all that. If you're in the DFW, holler at me. Go check out my other photography page, ADVision, youtube.com/ADVision. You might have to put ADVision 817, but ADVISION should get you right there. Holler at me, y'all.